Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you one nice way how to sew mouse ears and attach it to the head. It's easy and looks very nice. First of all, you need to sew the ear. So here you have cast on edge and this is cast on tail. We are going to use it for sewing. So now you need to stitch these edges together. We don't sew these edges and have an opening here. Now I'm going to attach the ear to the head, just like that. I'm going to use this pink yarn, but you need to use a normal one, like white one or gray one. Use several whip stitches to attach this ear point to the head. Just like that. And then pass the needle through the stuffing to the ear back, just like here. Sorry, I have a short thread, that's okay. So you are here, and second point that you are going to attach is this one, but you need to go through this layer as well, just like this, and go back. And here you need to make several whip stitches as well. Sorry, it's too short, just like that. You can see that in fact we attach the ear by 2 points here and here. It looks nice and to make it very easy. I hope it's helpful.